Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is about removing the ransomware called Kiop. Kiop is a ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Now, before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Kiop ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Because of that, very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore. The ransomware is able to encrypt and damage the files. Typically, after users restart their computers, they suddenly realize that the damage that has been caused by this particular ransomware, Kiop. And by the way, it is called like that, Kiop, because it encrypts files and appends this Kiop extension additionally to the file names. So very soon people see that they cannot access their files because of this Kiop extension, which got additionally appended to the file names. So this is what happens. You try to open this specific file and you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file. The same applies to all other files, in fact. The ransomware then tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. And if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money for nothing. So don't pay that ransom. Don't waste the money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then after the program is successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove this ransomware. It is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. You will then see the summary of the threats at the end of the scanning. By the way, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data in the future. But it is sufficient enough to help you fully eliminate this ransomware from your computer. And you may always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Premium.